वो लगा गया।
So, welcome on the day 20 of this e-Pathshala. By Sports Authority of India in collaboration with Table Tennis Federation of India under the nomenclature of Athletes Coaching and Education Program hosted by Netaji Subhash Eastern Center, Kolkata. Dear kids, coaches, mentors, parents, since this is the 20th day and in last 19 days we had tried to produce a variety of aspects in coaching, training, fitness, mental state strata, and so many things which are directly related with the table tennis players. Today's speaker means the eminent faculty who is going to interact with you for next 1 hour is Dr. Neeru Malik. She is a fellow of Punjab University, Chandigarh, Dean of Faculty of Design and Fine Arts, Assistant Professor in Dev Samaj College in Chandigarh. She is an international technical official of ITTF. She had served in so many international events through TTFI and ITTF platform. She is a master yoga trainer and a medalist scholar of physical education. She has conquered academics as well in the sports field also. She has done diploma in coaching apart from qualifying NET, one of the toughest examination in our physical education profession. His PhD, and not only along with holding her own PhD degree, she is guiding so many PhD scholars, nearly 30 plus MPhil scholars she has already supervised, and diploma in naturopathy and yoga therapy, nearly 2 decades long experience in teaching, international publications, national publications, and while I'll keep on speaking, I think the 6:30 time will come very near and very soon, and then we may refrain from hearing such an eminent academician and a sports personality. She has worked for Rio Olympics, Asian qualifications in Hong Kong, Commonwealth Championship in India, Asian Championship in Japan, World Championship in Germany, and so many events within the country and abroad. So now I'll prefer to stop myself in speaking, and now I request Honorable Speaker, keynote speaker, and the chief resource person for today's evening, Dr. Neeru Malik. Ma'am, you are welcome. All kids, trainers, aspirants of medals for tomorrow for India are very much keen to listen you, to hear you. Once again, welcome. Please.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much for this brief and very beautiful introduction. Although I don't stand in front of you anywhere, you are our mentor. You have skilled my nurture for officiating well and to control the arena within the table when we are acting as a umpire and we are officiating for a match. Thank you so much for giving me a new area to explore. Friends, before start, I would be fail if I don't deliver my gratitude towards the joint venture made by the brainchild Sports Authority of India. I am also a product of Sports Authority of India because in talent selection scheme, Sports Authority of India has also chosen me and they nurtured my basic skills right from class 6th. So thank you so much, Sports Authority of India, especially Mr. Prathania, who is the SAI operation. Thank you so much for taking this initiative, creating e-Pathshala for educating the table tennis players. I am also thankful to the Table Tennis Federation of India for making a joint effort to encourage the table tennis players and to make them competent to understand the basic concepts hidden behind uh, learning table tennis. Either they are educational perspectives or the psychological perspectives, and how to nurture the emotional competences, the socialization, because your gestures, your behavior, your communication, even your one word can lead to the evaluations of your behavior. So the socialization is also being nurtured by your coaches and trainers. And above all, the emotional competences, how to control our emotions. And one more thing is the spiritual enlightenment, which gives you a chance to get connected with the self. So I am really thankful to the Table Tennis Federation of India, Shri MP Singh ji, Secretary Table Tennis Federation of India, Dushyant Chotala ji, because he is a mentor to all of us, Dhanraj Chaudhary sir, who is like a father figure to us, and whatever decision he takes, he directs us. We are the true followers. I'm also thankful to A.K. Banerjee sir and Ganeshan sir, and to the program director of E-Pathshala, none other than a beautiful and par excellence academician, and a person who actually believes to act as a two professionals with all ethics and competent behavior when you are onto the field of table tennis, Dr. Atul Dubey. Thank you so much. I'm thankful to Viswajit for making a coordination. Thank you so much. So, सबसे पहले, I can see little champions of tomorrow. Definitely, they are being accompanied by their parents, coaches, and trainers. So, you are here getting connected with me, and today we will be exploring the areas which need serious conversation. The topic I have chosen today, or I have assigned today, is the puberty, challenges, and strategies for table tennis players, and a line I have written, a conversation for change. Viswajit sir, are you sharing the screen or should I?
Ma'am, you can share screen.
Okay. Suman Parekh ma'am, a very good evening. Sir, is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay.
You can press F5 for full screen view.
F5.
Yeah.
Dr. Malik is here to help me.
Yeah, that
Full
I've
screen.
seen.
So is it there? No. Sir, full screen आ रहा है?
नहीं आया मैम, अभी नहीं आया.
नहीं आया.
Meanwhile, I just want to interrupt because our in charge operations,
Yeah,
Dr.
fine.
Rajendra Pathania ji, has also joined the session. Dr. Pathania is in charge operation, as everybody know, and he is the key figure of producing this program. Sir, good evening and welcome. Pathania sir, unmute कीजिए please.
Yes, good evening, sir. Good evening. Madam ने अभी शुरू. Madam, most welcome. I welcome you on behalf of Sports Authority of India. ये प्रोग्राम जो है वो हमने इनिशिएटिव तो लिया है, मगर टेबल टेनिस का स्पेशली इट इज डॉक्टर अतुल दुबे
Yes,
who has
sir.
designed and structured this program. Especially table tennis, he has done everything. It is not. We are just supporting him.
Yes, I truly believe. Thank you so much for taking this initiative, sir. And thank you so much for giving us an opportunity, sitting far behind and getting directly connected, sir.
No, Dr. ऐसा नहीं है. This is our privilege to welcome you, and I hope you will table tennis will benefit. Naturally, they will benefit. I hope naturally they will benefit.
Thank you, sir. I will
I
try level my
welcome on
best.
behalf of Sports Authority. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now it's viewable. It's full screen, ma'am.
Okay. So the little champions of tomorrow's and the citizens of India, you are the one who can bring laurels to the country. You are the one to declare India a fit nation. You are the one who can help us and who can direct, educate your parents and society to fight Corona well and to come up being a warrior, not a warrior. So हम लोग तो एक army create करने वाले हैं. So today the topic is puberty, challenges and strategies for table tennis players. So this is all ours. Today, whatever we will be talking about, it is all ours. This is like whatever the changes is being happening in our body or will happen in our body, and these changes are definitely be giving us a shape, not only the body shape, but the shape of our mind, the shape of our action, and the shape of our behavior is going to be managed by this puberty period. So before start, I would like to explain what is puberty. Puberty is a period when sex hormones are produced in boys or girls and they become sexually matured, or you can say it is a stage when boys and girls attain sexual maturity. Those who are below 11 years, they cannot understand, but definitely they will be taught by their teachers when the right time comes. And the sex education, being a teacher, I think is the most essential part to educate our generations so that they can understand about self as well as they can very well manage their behavior as well as emotions. So if we talk about the stages of life which we are going through, so right from the birth, if you might have seen a little child, small child, जिसको आपको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार आता है, and that attracts you so much, is the age of infancy, which starts right from the birth to 2 years, and then we stepped into the childhood, which goes 3 to 12 years. And the adolescent, the most crucial period of a person, stays for 6 years, that is from the age of 13 to 19 years, and the adulthood from 20 to 40 and above 40, as per NCERT book class 8, is the old age. So the stages of life right from infancy, childhood, adolescent, adulthood and old age, if I say infancy is a stage where the child learn basic movement, the walk, like in the start, crawling, walking, then running, jumping, throwing. We learn these motor skills in the stage of infancy. Then the childhood stage, whatever skills we have learned, clear, and we get perfection over them, as well as the stage of enjoyment is the childhood. We are free from worries. So those who are below 11 years, you can see you are being pampered by your parents, but yes, when you are onto the arena, you are so mature, you are responsible towards your assignments, whatever your coach has said. If they have said 1000 skipping, so you will do 1000 skipping. If they say 50 sit-ups, you will do 50 sit-ups, no escaping. And I can truly believe that whatever coach says, the players do. But
Ma'am, your voice is dipping.
hello?
Now audible. Now audible. Actually, we missed
Sir,
some last 30 seconds.
सर अब आ रही है?
हाँ बिल्कुल आ रही है मैम.
ओके, सो आप ये देख रहे होंगे कि कई बार क्या होता है कि आपके पेरेंट्स अगर आपको कुछ बोलते हैं तो आप उनको ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं कि ये हमें नहीं डांटेंगे, बट ऐसा कोच और ट्रेनर के साथ नहीं होता. यू आर वेरी मच कमिटेड, एंड व्हेन यू स्टेप इनटू, प्लीज मूव दिस विंडो अवे फ्रॉम शेयर्ड एप्लीकेशंस. Then the adolescent period, which we will be elaborating today, is the most crucial age, and the adulthood, when you are ready to become like you are fully matured, you are emotionally competent, and you are mentally totally matured. And above all is the age which is full of experienced, and the old age. So when does puberty happens? If we talk about boys, this goes at the age of 14 to 15 years. Clear? And in this age, what major change occurs? So in this age, the secretion of testosterone hormones in boys takes place. You know, in our body, there are different type of glands, and there are various hormones, two type of hormones basically, the exocrine glands and the endocrine glands. The exocrine glands are the duct glands which secretes the enzymes which are required for like for action. Like if we eat food, these enzymes are required to for reaction. Clear? So they are the exocrine glands or the duct glands, and our liver is one of the largest endocrine glands. There are other glands also, but liver is the largest gland in our body, and they are known as the duct gland. And apart from this, the endocrine glands, they don't have duct, they don't have pipes, but they secrete hormones, hormones which are required for the growth and development of our body. Please, children, listen this very carefully, that endocrine glands are the responsible factors which secretes hormones in our body, and these hormones are the responsible factor for the growth and development in our body. And in case of girls, the girls attain puberty in the age of 11 or 12 years, but nowadays this age is also decreasing. So what actually happens in this, where in boys the testosterone hormones are being secreted, in girls the estrogen hormone is being secreted. So there are certain changes in the boys and girls. So what changes are like, hame pata hai, like if I talk about the boys, you might have observed there is a change in your size, there is change in your shape, there is change in your voice, and there is a activation of your sweat glands. You can see there is a broad shoulder. You can see boys are like they are increasing fat, but it is a whole body fat, and you are becoming masculine. Your size of muscles are increasing. Fine. So your weight is also increasing, and in regard to shape, आप masculine हो रहे हैं. But if I talk about the girls, definitely there is a change in the size, in the body, in the weight, in the sweat glands, but not as a masculine. Muscles are increasing, but in girls, the fat mass or the fat accumulation is much higher than the boys. And these fat accumulation is not in the whole body. So where this fat is, this fat gets accumulated in the upper part, or you can say in the chest region of the girls, and in the buttock region or pelvic region of the girls. And if I talk about the waist region, it is the curvature. So you can see where the boys with the stout shoulders, they are getting in shape, they are masculine. The girls are bit having a curved body. So they are having fat accumulation in the upper and lower part of the body, whereas the boys in the whole body. Voice of the boys becomes heavier because the vocal cord, or the you can say the larynx, जो आपका vocal cord है, larynx जो है वो heavy होता है. Boys की जो आवाज है, that becomes heavier, whereas in for girls it becomes slightly sharp. आप सोचते हैं ना कि girls की आवाज बहुत तीखी होती है, and when they little shout, it seems to be shout a much, whereas if the voice shouts much, it seems to be the little. Clear? So this is the basic. So what you can see here, a picture of a boy and a girl. So the boy seems to be masculine, whereas the girl seems to be curvature, and the fat mass is the pelvic area or the chest area, whereas the waist region is little curvature. Clear? And one more thing, in boys, your hands, your arms, your legs grow faster than your whole body. But in girls, you increase or you grow as a whole. Clear? So what changes occurred in puberty period? And uh, sometimes the changes which are visible and they are very much acceptable by all, but there are some changes which we are not aware of, and it takes times to accept and to react. So what are the common changes which occurs? So sudden increase in height. So due to hormone secretion and the body gets signal, and there is a sudden change of hormones, and the sudden change of height can be visible. So what happens if the sudden change of height occurs? In table tennis, the gravity, or you can say the balance, performs the major role. We have to make a balance between the right and left side of our body, and we have to perform the offensive and defensive skills. On and off the table, we have to play. But if we are not comfortable with this sudden increasing height, which is disturbing our balance, which is disturbing our gravity, so it will disturb our momentum. We will not be able to coordinate, or we will not be able to get into the momentum. So sometimes it makes you irritate, sometimes it confuses you, sometimes it may lead you to the wrong direction. But yes, if time to time you are getting your height checked, and if your coach is with scientific temperament, they will tell you in what height, uh, how you have to make your feet apart from each other. अगर आप offensive strategy ले रहे हैं या defensive strategy ले रहे हैं, अगर आप forehand strokes ले रहे हैं, backhand strokes ले रहे हैं, so आपका जो एक पैर है वो या दोनों पैर का जो गैप है, या डिफेंसिव स्किल और ऑफेंसिव स्किल के लिए आपको कितना नीचे या ऊपर जाना है, आपके नीज कहाँ पे रहेंगे, आपका प्लेइंग हैंड कहाँ रहेगा, और स्पेशली जो अटेंशन चाहिए जिसको हम सबसे ज्यादा निग्लेक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज द नॉन प्लेइंग हैंड. इफ आई एम अ राइट हैंडेड प्लेयर, फॉर मी this left hand should be of equal importance, because submission of the forces. If I have to give a force to my shot, so this left hand is equally contributing. So please pay attention to the non-playing hand also. So the commonly known as the growth spurt, which we are not aware of. So this shoots the increased height, increased shape, increased voice. So height of the boys more as compared to the girls, which we have talked about, because in boys the leg length increases with a sharp rate as compared to women. Change in the body shape due to increased muscle growth and different in boys and girls. This we have also seen as well as discussed, that the boys gets a masculine and the stout shoulder, whereas the girls gets a curvature body, and the fat is being accumulated in the chest area as well as in the pelvic area. So the boys, the muscle growth, or versus girls muscle growth, where boys in the whole body, and in girls it is with the localized area. In boys and girls, if we talk, we have also talked about the change in voice and increase activity of sweat glands and oil glands. Here I want to say something which is very special, that the girls above 11 years and the boys above 13 or 14 years, they might have observed earlier there was very less or no secretion of the sweat. But now when they are playing or performing, they are doing activity, or they are warming up, or they are on the top table, so there is a severe sweating, and sometimes it is stinking. उसमें बहुत smell आता है, और उसकी वजह से you are not comfortable. You would prefer to sit at a side. You would prefer to change your clothes again and again, and you prefer to use deodorant or perfume. Clear? So the best thing is, if there is a severe increased activity of sweat glands, your personal hygiene plays a major role, and you should keep on taking bath like morning, afternoon, oil glands as well. And due to secretion of oil glands, what happens? Acne and pimples. Especially in the case of girls, it is very frequent, and even in boys, it is there. So, acne and pimples, especially visible on face, and this face is the beauty, you know? No, it is not. Actually, it is not. In table tennis or in sports or in society, your action are the most precious thing. Your behavior, आप अपने कर्मों से अपनी पहचान बनाते हैं. And mind me, this acne and pimples, it is a temporary phase. It's not going to stay permanent. So the acne, it is a natural process. It is due to the secretion of the hormones. So use home remedies as well as the hygiene. This plays main significant role, because we have seen the children with the acne and pimples, they have low self-esteem, they have less confidence, they are less socialized. Clear? So this should not be there. You should have the acceptance towards yourself, as well as you should pay attention to it, but you should not get disturbed out of it. So what changes in the teenage occurs? In teenage, there is a development of the sex hormones, the production of the hormones which stimulates gametes, where there boys and eggs. In boys, there is a, like in boys and girls, there is a reproduction activity, and in boys there is testis, and in girls it is the egg production. So it is the gamete where the both boys and girls are ready to become parent. So next is the emotionally and mentally mature. So as compared to the teenage person, the adolescents, the teenage person, because they have more experience as compared to a adolescents, so they become more emotionally and mentally mature. So this picture will show you the glands, their location and functions. So whatever changes are occurring in our body, it is not happening just once. It is happening because there is a science behind. अभी क्या होगा कि बहुत से लोग साइंस लेंगे, clear, and many of you don't like science and math, and when you are passing your 10th, there is a best thing is, oh, we are going to get a rid from science and math. But my children, dear friends, what about the science which is going within ourselves? Psychology is a science. Physiology is a science. Every system is a science. If we are breathing, it is just because of science. If I'm moving my limb, it is a science. If I'm thinking, it is a science. If this light is here, this is a science. So without science, without fact, without nature, we are nothing. So whatever changes are occurring in our body, they have a scientific process. Clear? So what happens? The gland formed by the group of cells and produce secretions, which is of two types. Clear? And these two types, जो glands है वो कौन सी है? Exocrine glands and the endocrine glands. So the main function of the exocrine glands is to secrete the enzymes which is required for the reaction, whereas the endocrine glands plays a significant role in the hormone development, hormone secretion, and thus the growth and development of our body depends upon the secretion of these glands. If they are being secreted more than the moderate level, this will lead to many diseases or disorders. If this secretion is less than the moderate level, again there will be many diseases or disorders in our body. Clear? Like you might have seen goiter, जिनका अगर thyroid gland की मैं बात करूं जो गले में है, you might have seen the larger size of the thyroid or the larynx, जहाँ पे size बड़ा हो जाता है. So the proper functioning of the glands and the proper secretion to a moderate level is required. So there are many glands in our body. The pituitary gland, which is there in our brain, it is known as the master gland, and it controls the many functioning of other glands also, as well as it controls many functions of our body. That's why it is also known as the pituitary gland. Next is the thyroid gland, which is responsible for the voice, and then the parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, which is there above the kidney, and it is like a cup size. And this, you can see here, it is the leafy area. So this leaf size, what it is the pancreatic जो gland है आपकी, और यहाँ पे क्या करता है, it regulates the sugar. So आपने सुना होगा कि इनको डायबिटीज है या कुछ है. So if this the functioning of this pancreatic gland increases or decreases, this will either increase or decrease the level of blood sugar. And in boys, you can see this is the testis, which is the male testosterone hormones, and in girls, here are the ovaries, which secretes eggs. And here, when the changes in the size, shape, and maturity of the body, our body gets changed, and our body is also getting mature. So what are the hormones, and from where the hormones are being secreted? So this we are known now the endocrine glands, and the exocrine glands secretes the enzymes. So the hormones are the chemicals that controls different metabolism in our body. Clear? And the responsible factor is the endocrine gland. So now what challenges and strategies during puberty stage do we face? I'm giving you 30 seconds. All children, are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm giving you 30 seconds. Just close your eyes. Those who are in the age of puberty, and just realize what challenges or what changes you are facing within the self. Just close your eyes. Try to realize the change within the self, the challenges. Analyze, ये पहचानने की कोशिश करें, क्या आप इन चेंजेस को किसी से शेयर करने में हेजिटेशन महसूस कर रहे हैं? Do you feel hesitate to share these changes or the problems faced by you, or the changes occurring in your body making you confused? So, okay. So as the 30 seconds are over, we will be discussing it later on. But what changes our adolescents face in the puberty stage? So the physical challenges. The physical challenge is the most painful challenge in the age of puberty, where in boys and girls, there is a change in the chest and the chest region. In girls, there is a shaping of the breast, and there is a change in the nipple. And in boys, similarly, the chest size increases, and the change in the nipple size also a very common phenomenon. And when the muscles are increasing, they are painful. Sometime when you are doing training and you get hurt, or when you are running, these hormones which are getting changed, and your body is also not properly accommodated, and you are not psychologically prepared, and you are failed to express this pain to your parents, to your coach. So the main thing is, you should be aware what changes you are going to face in your puberty stage. So in girls, especially, in boys, very common changes are there. There will be a change in the chest size, there will be a change in the voice region, and there will be the change in the testosterone, or you can say the penis area. But in girls, this change is very severe and is very painful. In chest, there is a severe pain, and sometimes there is the start of menstruation by the age of 30 to 15 years, and sometimes the cycle gets delayed. It depends because it is individual differences, and the the parental influence, the genetic influence is very much. So when the start of the period, sometimes in girls there is no pain, sometimes in girls there is very less pain, but many a times, in many cases, there is a severe pain when they are having their menstruational period. So what menstruational period is, because as we have told you that in girls there is a secretion of the estrogen hormone, and this estrogen hormone, the ovary and the release of eggs, clear, and when the eggs are like, jab there is a wall, and when it gets hurt, or yeah, iska ek period hai, because it is, there is a period of 28 to 30 days. This is a cycle, and every girl has a menstruational period from 4 to 6 days. And sometimes the initial days are the painful days, sometimes before the start days are painful, and sometimes the whole period or the menstruational cycle is very painful. So what challenges you are facing, only you are aware of, but until unless you are not expressing or you are not telling your parents, your coaches, how they can have a alternative training therapy for you, how they can have a alternative treatment for you, how they can have a alternative training therapy for you. So here you have to accept yourself and don't hesitate. If there are acne, if there is painful menstruation, and sometimes we have seen due to fat accumulation, when the girls are doing running and cross movement, they get rashes on their inner thighs or private parts, and they are unable to speak. And when you are not maintaining proper hygiene, both boys and girls, when, because there will be a growth of hairs, then there will be a growth of hairs on the mouth, on the, sorry, face, on the chest region, on the private parts. So you have to make a proper hygiene of this, and you have to be little aware of, and you have to be little expressive. You should have a good rapport with your parents and with your friends, coaches as well. So psychological challenges, this psychological change is the most demanding. Why it is most demanding, I will say you, because the psychological challenges are, sometime when we are negatively charged, what happens? I will question to myself. And when I am negatively charged, when the thought process in my mind is negative, अगर आप गलत सोच रहे हो, नकारात्मक सोच रहे हो, how you will frame that question? Your question will be negative. 100% your question will be negative. Like आप टेबल पे खड़े हो, आपने एक शॉट मारा and you have a perfection in that shot, लेकिन आपने एक शॉट मारा और वो शॉट मिस हो गया. You have prepared your mind, मेरे से नहीं होगा, I cannot do it, I'm fail. You will be a fail. आप वो नहीं कर सकोगे because you have given a command to your body. Because there is a mind and body coordination, there is a neuro and muscular coordination, there is a circulatory and respiratory coordination. So when I have given this negative command to you, to my body has accepted, and it is not ready to react in positive manner. My nervous system has is ready to not to make a coordination with my body, and when my approach, execution and follow through is not in a coordinative manner and not in a direction, it will not lead me to the success area. Fine. And your one negative thought, I have told, the circulatory and respiratory coordination, psychological thinking का इससे क्या असर है? My one positive thought can give a vasodilation. Your blood vessels are vital. They are increasing, they are flowing blood to a fast and increased, and more volume is there, more oxygen is being circulated. But if I've given a negative command to my body, and if I'm negatively charged, my muscles are going to contract, my vessels are going to contract, and they will not pass the desired amount of blood to my body. Clear? So your psychological challenges, like you are negatively charged and your perceptions sometimes are very, very negative. And a part of thinking for yourself, वो जो लोग वो मेरे लिए देख रहे हैं वो क्या सोचेंगे, how I am appearing, okay, my t-shirt, I'm growing, I'm not comfortable, so I will start wearing loose clothes. Clear? And especially if I talk about girls, physical challenges we are not able to accept, and psychologically when we are low and we are not accepting ourselves, what will happen? Postural deformity. The girls with tall height, you might have seen, you will try to shorten yourself. आप क्या करेंगे, अपनी गर्दन को और अपनी बैक पे एक हम्प बना लेंगे जिससे आपकी ग्रोथ विजिबल ना हो. You don't prefer to stand with boys because you are not visibly acceptable. आपको ऐसा लगता है, but it is a natural phenomena. Everybody is aware of, especially nowadays, and table tennis is a very refined game. We all are very much aware, whatever challenges, whatever changes are coming in this puberty age, we should be aware and we should accept it as a normal. Like आपकी लाइफ में जो भी खाने को आया, जो भी पहनने को आया, जो भी कोच ने आपको प्लेट में रख के दे दिया कि ये दिस इज द ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल ऑफ टुडे, you are accepting it. Your parents have brought something for you, you have accepted it. There is a syllabus in your class, you have accepted it. There are friends in your class, you have accepted it. Why not ourselves? So we have to accept ourselves. So our height, our shape, our size, our voice, our acne, whatever it is, our color complexion is our, and we are the one who have the capacity to nurture it and to groom it to the maximum limit or to lock it to the limited area or the minimize. Clear? तो ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप कली बनना चाहते हो या फूल की तरह खिलना चाहते हो. So if you want to become a flower, you must recognize each and every petal of your flower and you have to nurture it fully. Clear? So the emotional changes, especially the endocrine glands जो होते हैं वो आपकी बॉडी में हार्मोन को सीक्रेट करते हैं. और स्पेशली इस पीरियड में आपने फील किया होगा, योर मूड स्विंग्स आर वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट. समटाइम्स यू आर सैड. हम देखते हैं कि बच्चे मोजी भेजते हैं, स्माइलीज भेजते हैं. सो उस मोजी में क्या होता है, देयर आर मेनी फेजेस. कभी वो सैड है, कभी वो हैप्पी है, कभी वो रोता हुआ है, कभी वो हंसता हुआ है, कभी वो बंदर की शेप में, कभी वो कुछ है. एक्चुअली वॉट एवर मोजी यू आर सेंडिंग इज एक्चुअली रिफ्लेक्टिंग योर ओन बिहेवियर. Your own emotions are being reflected to that that image. Clear? So emotions के लिए कौन responsible है? Hormones. और इसकी हम पूरी अथॉरिटी किसको दे देते हैं? गलती से अपने माइंड को. और मन क्या है? चंचल. मन ऐसा चंचल है कि ये मिनटों में तो हंसता है, मिनटों में ये रोता है, मिनटों में ये उदास है, मिनटों में ये खुश है, मिनटों में ही ये मान जाता है और मिनटों में ही ये किसी से बैर बना लेता है और मिनटों में ही ये किसी को अपना बनाकर उस पर ब्लाइंडली फेथ भी करता है और मिनटों में ही ये डिसीजन भी लेता है. और कहते हैं कि 1 मिनट में जिंदगी नहीं बदलती, लेकिन 1 मिनट में लिया गया फैसला आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकता है. सो हियर वी हैव टू गिव कमांड इंस्टेड ऑफ माइंड टू आवर बुद्धि, the intellectual, the intelligence which is sitting behind the mind. बिल्कुल quietly वो बुद्धि बैठी रहती है and mind means that is very intelligent. और वो क्या करती है कि if they are going to come to me, तो मैं इनको एनालिटिक स्किल्स के बारे में बताऊंगी कि आप सही गलत, हाँ या ना, डूज एंड डोंट्स के बीच में एक फर्क कर सकें, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव के बीच में फर्क कर सकें. सो व्हेन you are in a thinking process, don't give command to your mind, but give a command to your intellect. Clear? And your intelligence, your intellect will never guide you wrong. Clear? तो आप जब हारते हैं तो ये नहीं कि आप चीजों को तोड़ दें, रोएं. No, you have to accept it and you have to, आप क्या करें, एक पेज बना लें, उस पे अपने पॉइंट्स लेके what mistakes you have done, what things are to be worked upon, and what challenges you will be facing, and what are the strategies you can try to overcome it. Clear? And for emotions, long breathing exercise, yoga, meditation, co-curricular activities, and spending time with family, कोच के साथ बात करना, ट्रेनर के साथ बात करना, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करना will be of great demand as well as useless. Motor challenges, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, when there is a sudden increase of height, there may be disturbance in the gravity, or you can say you feel कि सर मेरा बैलेंस नहीं बन रहा, I'm not able to execute this particular ये मेरा स्किल है, मैं अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. सो देयर मे बी द चांस कि वट एवर मोटर लाइक रनिंग, जंपिंग, थ्रोइंग में हम बोलते हैं कि कोई भी ऐसा काम है जिससे आपकी बॉडी में जो चेंज आया है, आपकी मोटर स्किल उस हिसाब से अभी ट्रेन नहीं हुई है. So you need that specific training. Whatever changes are occurring in your body, your training schedule should be according to that. Clear? Then the social challenges we have observed in the puberty period, many adolescents take their step back. और आजकल तो मोबाइल ने, this has spoiled our life. The quality time with parents, the quality time with grandparents, playing in the street is totally missing. Attachment with the traditional like roots or the games is totally missing. Especially you don't have time to go your family, but you have ample time to share with your friends. Now in this pandemic lockdown, who is the most supportive pillar and with whom you are spending your time the most is your family. But if still sitting in lockdown, spending your time with the family, if you are spending time with the technology, this will lead you to the wrong direction. And the spiritual challenges, you are not able to control your thoughts, you are not able to, कहते हैं ना, भगवान की तरफ आपका ना तो विश्वास है, ना सोच है, और ना ही एक कनेक्शन है. लेकिन अगर इस एज से देखिए, गॉड बुद्धा ने बहुत छोटी उम्र से भगवान के साथ अपनी जो लगन लगाई थी. क्लियर? तो सेम वे यू हैव टू एनलाइटन योरसेल्फ इन स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट्स, जहां
Ma'am, again we are missing your voice. You are not audible, ma'am.
नहीं, अब जाओगे, वो वॉइस नहीं आती जब आप आ रहे.
अभी
आई है सर.
हाँ, अभी आप डॉक्टर से बात करें कि वो सुन लिया हमने.
ओके सर, इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
हाँ, बिल्कुल ऑडिबल.
Okay, so what strategies you have to make? I will start from here. So there are certain strategies which are required and should be adopted, clear, to strengthen this growth and development period of puberty, which is most essential, age, because we have observed there are severe dropouts. अगर आज आप एक ड्रॉ लें और उस ड्रॉ को, सर अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि एक कैडेट्स का और सब जूनियर का ड्रॉ देखें, उसके बाद जूनियर का ड्रॉ देखें और एक यूथ का ड्रॉ देखें, देन मेन और विमेन का ड्रॉ देखें, तो आपको एक जो पिरामिड दिखेगा, नीचे से आपको मास पार्टिसिपेशन दिखेगी, और जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे आपको ड्रॉप आउट्स दिखेंगे और लेस पार्टिसिपेशन दिखेगी. व्हाई इट इज सो? This may be due to the dropout, especially in the puberty area, as well as in the, in the teenager, where the stress of academics, or when we don't have any foresight for sports grooming, but we have a mindset for getting admission to our choice course. And moreover, it is 99%, it is the decision of the parents, not of the sports persons. So the supportive strength and the strategies adopted by whom? First, like The parents are the one who provide you the informal education. So here the parents can play a pivotal role by preparing the young minds towards the changes which are going to occur in the puberty area time. And you should be open up in your talks, because children are very smart today. They have technology in their hands. There is a content in their syllabus. So whatever changes they are going to face, they are open. Clear? So if you are going to hide, you are going to lead them in a wrong direction. But yes, you must have a slab. What to say, what to teach them, when to teach them, how to teach them, and up to what we should teach them. But as per their age, it is required, we should nurture and we should educate them about the changes which are going to occur in their body. Because if we are not going to pre-prepare them, when there will be a sudden change, they will be confused, they will be irritated, and there may be a conflict with you as well as with others. So the coaches and the trainers plays a significant role, because sometimes a child joins table tennis at the age of 7, 8, or 9, and they are full of energy, without any tension, without any change, and they are the beautiful flowers which are being taken care by their parents, their coaches and trainers, and they are free and they are jumping, they are running like anything. But the coaches and trainers must also be educated about the changes in respect to boys and girls, the hormones, their secretions, the psychological, the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual changes. Whatever the changes they are going to have, they should be very well aware. Coaches and trainers, they can stop the dropouts in table tennis, as well as they can maintain the consistency of learning in table tennis among table tennis players. They can keep them psychologically high. They can maintain the emotional competencies, and they can balance the emotions of their players, and they can nurture the social skills. Because if they can believe them to believe within self, they are only the parents and the coaches. Then I will come to you. बेटे, आप एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं कर सकती. माइंड मी, अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो दुनिया की कोई change or the action or the behavior will occur. So I am the main role player here कि जिसको ये सारे चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट भी करना है, और ना केवल अपनी गेम में, लेकिन अपनी एकेडमिक्स, अपनी सोसाइटी और एक अच्छे सिटीजन के रूप में हमें भारत को एक we have to bring laurels to our Table Tennis Federation of India as well as Government of India by becoming good in academics as well. Teachers, we have seen sometimes teachers spoils the behavior of the sports persons. पहले कहा जाता था कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. लेकिन आज बोलते हैं पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो भी रहोगे नवाब. So it means आप अगर physically fit नहीं हो, because when you are into the ground, it's not the physical competencies which are being groomed. आपको मानसिक तौर पे psychologically you are groomed so beautifully that you are more psychologically tough. आप खुद देखिए, you are not in fear. आप कोरोना से डर नहीं रहे हैं, आप एक फाइटर के रूप में खड़े हैं, and still you are going to the ground. You are going like grounds were locked, but you were continuing to your physical and the imaginary skills आप लोग कर रहे थे, फिटनेस आप कर रहे थे. तो कई बार हमने देखा है कि टीचर का एक डायलॉग, ये तो स्पोर्ट्स वाले हैं, इनको रहने दो, ये तो सिर्फ खेलेंगे. So this should not be here. Teacher should contribute to the maximum, और स्पेशली टीचर को ये ध्यान में रखना है कि अगर एक प्लेयर खेल रहा है और उस टाइम वो प्यूबरिटी एज में भी है, तो यहाँ पे टीचर को उसे दोनों तरह से ग्रूम करना है. उसको इमोशनली भी यहाँ पे हैंडल करना है, उसको बूस्ट करना है. अगर वो जीत के आया है तो उसके लिए अप्रिसिएशन, रिवॉर्ड्स एंड अवार्ड्स का क्राइटेरिया भी टीचर के पास है, क्लियर? एंड द स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन शुड take all consideration of the players, those who are in the puberty or the adolescent age. They should appreciate and they should take care of all the needs, whatever required and demanded by the player. So peer group within table tennis, आपके दो ग्रुप्स बन जाते हैं. एक आपका जर्नल ग्रुप होता है जो कि शायद फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और सोसाइटी में या स्कूल से बने, लेकिन एक आपका कोर ग्रुप बन जाता है जो आपकी गेम का है. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल इन द सेम एज, और हम वो चीजें आपस में या तो शेयर नहीं करते या शेयर करते हैं लेकिन इसका आंसर क्या है हमें नहीं पता, क्लियर? या मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स से पता चला, उन्होंने मुझे अधूरा बताया, मैंने अधूरा आपको बता दिया. So children, half knowledge is ever dangerous. Clear? You should be open up for asking the questions to your parents, to your teachers, to your coaches. Clear? And strategies to be adopted by the self and for the self. मैंने जब पहले आपसे कहा, if you are not ready, no else one can do it. So acceptance for the self. How I am looking, I should proud to be. Clear? वो मेरे से ज्यादा मेरे से ज्यादा, no problem. Individual differences are there. Physiological individual differences, psychological individual differences, emotional individual differences, and social individual differences are there unless you are not going to accept yourself. Clear? So आप तब तक improve. Don't compare yourself with others. Try to compete yourself. Try to groom yourself. Try to improve and develop yourself. आप अपने पे काम करें. And definitely जब आपका acceptance with self हो जाएगा, the positivity will take place, and this positive attitude, this positive behavior will take care of rest of the systems, rest of the elements of your body, or rest of the elements of your personality. Acceptance for others and society, like मैंने अब बोला कि वो मेरे से ज्यादा कर रहा है, you should accept it. There may be individual differences, there may be a like हो सकता है वो आपसे ज्यादा साइकोलॉजिकली टफ है, फिजिकली आप उससे ज्यादा टफ है, लेकिन साइकोलॉजिकली आपसे ज्यादा टफ है. क्या होता है जब एक ही गेम में दो प्लेयर एक जैसे हैं? हमने बहुत बार मैच में ऐसा देखा कि जो बच्चा गेम वाइज अच्छा होता है वो हार जाता है, और जो मानसिक तौर पे साइकोलॉजिकल जो टफ होता है, जो कमिटेड कंसिस्टेंसी, जो छोड़ता नहीं है गेम को, ज्यादा स्किल वाइज अच्छा नहीं है लेकिन छोड़ता नहीं है, लगा रहता है, वो जीत जाता है. सो इट मीन्स द other factors also contribute to the holistic performance of your body. So here we can say the acceptance of the self and acceptance towards the society is the most necessary element. Then rapport with parents, coaches and others. बड़े जल्दी से आप लोग नाराज हो जाते हो ना अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, बस मुझे तो कोई समझता ही नहीं है, आपका बेटा ही नहीं हूं मैं, आपकी बेटी नहीं हूं मैं, क्लियर? मुझे आना ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, आप मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करते, है ना? या वो कोच ना, सर ना उसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं, मुझे ज्यादा नहीं देते, या रहने दे सर उस पे ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, हमें नहीं कर रहे. These mood swings are very common. Clear? Because ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? ये तो मन सोच रहा है, बुद्धि तो सोच ही नहीं रही है, हमने बुद्धि के हाथ में कमांड दी ही नहीं. So if your parents, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स ने किसी चीज के लिए आपको टोका है, आपको डांटा है, आप एक बार शांत मन से उसको एनालाइज करें. आई एम ऑल्सो अ पेरेंट, आई हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन, मेरा बहुत कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है उनके साथ. आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ बिग आर्ग्यूमेंट विद माय डॉटर. देन वी बोथ एनालाइज, और जब आप एनालाइज करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है कि दिस पार्ट वाज मिसिंग. क्लियर? लेकिन इसमें आप बोलते हो कि यस पापा यू हैव सेड सो, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड, आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड आल्सो. इसी तरह से आप कोच को देखेंगे कि व्हाई दे आर paying more attention to those, because there may be a neglection on your part. हो सकता है जो आपने बोला आप कोच की बात को सीरियस नहीं ले रहे हैं, वो बच्चा सीरियस ले रहा है और उसको वो दिख रहा है कि वो आगे बढ़ेगा तो वो उस पर ध्यान दे रहा है. तो आपने अपनी और ध्यान कैसे लेके आना है, ये आपके ऊपर है. इट इज द यू, इट इज द सेल्फ. क्लियर? स्पेक्टेटर गैलरी में, क्लियर, जब आप जाते हैं, आप एंट्री कर रहे हैं, आपका नेबरहुड कौन है, यू मस्ट हैव अ गुड रैपो विद पेरेंट्स, कोचेस एंड अदर्स, फाइन. Then the self-esteem. What is self-esteem? How do you evaluate or how this is the self-esteem. You should be aware about your contribution and about your worth in that particular element, clear, इसके बारे में. Then self efficacy, आप अपने बारे में, अपनी capability के बारे में आपको awareness हो. And D3 concept is very much essential, that is the discipline, dedication and the determination. You should be self-disciplined and there should be a determination. There should be certain goals जो आप अपनी लाइफ में सेट करेंगे, तभी आप उन पे काम कर पाएंगे. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में गोल्स के बिना चल रहे हैं, सिर्फ आ रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, so this is a good way of recreation, but you will not achieve goals. So you should determined, you should be disciplined and you should have the consistency. आपको जितनी मर्जी पेन हो उसको सहना है, जितना मर्जी कोच या कोई थप्पड़ भी लगा दे तो वो आपके बेटरमेंट के लिए.
Connectivity is lost, I think. I think connectivity जो है मैम की थोड़ी सी वीक हुई है कुछ इंटरनेट के कारण से. So dear kids, what ma'am is saying, I just want to share only one line with this. There is a old couplet in our Vedic sciences. They say Uddimen hi siddhanti na karyani manurata सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य न प्रवेशति मुखे मृगा. यानी कि सोते हुए शेर के मुंह में कभी भी हिरन जाकर के नहीं घुसता है, उसके लिए शेर को प्रयत्न करना ही पड़ता है. And if you will go through with the teachings of Professor J.P. Guilford, he was the famous sports psychologist and he has worked for sports psychology also. He has said in his means we can say his thesis, there are 180 variables of intelligence and only a sportsman is there who can channelize more than 90 variables of those intelligence. हमारा जो एजुकेशन पैटर्न है वो केवल आपके मेमोराइजेशन प्रोसेस की बात करता है. आउट ऑफ 180 ओनली वन मेमोराइजेशन प्रोसेस इज देयर व्हिच कैन गिव यू कि आप इंटेलिजेंट हैं. बट इन स्पोर्ट्स फ्रेटर्निटी, आउट ऑफ दोज 180 derived by Professor J.P. Guilford, we are utilizing 90 variables to express our intelligence, our intellectual properties. और मैम ने आप लोगों से अभी यही बात की है.
Sir, am I visible?
Now you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, so there is some problem. I think मैं विश्वजीत सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वो आगे की जो स्लाइड्स हैं उनको ऑपरेट कर दें. सर, is it visible?
हाँ, आप visible हैं मैम.
Okay, so the strategies need to be adopted. That is, we have discussed the acceptance of the self, the acceptance of the others. Rapport with the parents and coaching is the most essential part. Self-esteem, self-efficacy, D3 concept, and be little extrovert. Clear? Because until unless you are not expressive, how your parents will come to know, how your coach and others will come to know what your feelings are, what your thoughts are, and how they need to be channelized. Clear? So you have to be little extrovert and be little expressive. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होना, ऐसा नहीं कि आप किसी की भी कभी भी आप miss words बोल दें, but you should be aesthetically extrovert in your words. Then the good social skills. Clear? सबसे बड़ी बात है भगवान को नमस्ते करना, और स्पेशली जब आपको आपके टीचर्स, किसी के भी पेरेंट्स, आपके फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं, you should exchange a gesture of namaste, hello, hi. Clear? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? Clear? So good evening sir, good night sir. So these are the social skills which makes you get connected with your parents, with your coaches and the other parts of the society. Until unless आप देखिए आप ड्राई रहेंगे सो आप लाइफ में आप बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करेंगे, सो आपको पता होना चाहिए. देन द इमोशनल कॉम्पिटेंसीज, क्लियर. सो आपको किस तरह की इमोशनल कॉम्पिटेंसीज मीन, इमोशंस मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि देयर विल बी अ सीवियर मूड स्विंग. आपको कभी हंसना, कभी रोना, कभी आप इरिटेट होंगे, कभी आप अराउजल आप देखेंगे, एंजाइटी आप फील करेंगे, कभी आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील करेंगे, कभी आप फेलियर फील करेंगे, कभी आप टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फील करेंगे, कभी आपको लगेगा कि आई एम द मोस्ट हैप्पी पर्सन, कभी आपको लगेगा आई एम द मोस्ट अचीवर वन. क्लियर. So these all are the mood swings which are very common in this age, but you must have the moderate level of these emotions. Clear. You should handle these emotions in moderate level. तो आपको इन इमोशंस को, अगर आप हार गए हैं तो रोना धोना और तोड़ना नहीं है, आपको उसको एक्सेप्ट करना. और अगर आप जीत गए हो तो ऐसा नहीं है दैट यू शुड इंसल्ट, मतलब अरे 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 हिला दिया, चिढ़ा दिया, कम ऑन लिया था बेस्ट, ये करके. नो, these gestures are not acceptable. Clear? So your celebrations or your failures should be accepted in a moderate and very aesthetic and beautiful manner, which should not hurt someone. Fine. And you should be God fearing. You know, आप अभी इस एज में हैं, देयर आर चांसेस कि आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, क्लियर, आप किसी गलत संगत में या गलत डायरेक्शन में चले जाएं. यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट डोपिंग. तो अगर आपको कोई डोपिंग के बारे में या कोई ऐसे सब्सटेंस के बारे में बताता है जो ये कहता है कि आप इस चीज को लें और आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाएगी, सॉरी, दिस इज द रॉन्ग मेथड, this is the wrong practice, and at initial stage you should inculcate a habit of saying no to bad things. चाहे वो सोसाइटी में, पीयर ग्रुप में आपको किसी भी तरह की, किसी ड्रग के लिए, किसी भी तरह स्मोकिंग के लिए, अल्कोहल के लिए, बेटा there are so many reasons and there will be a long suffering. Clear. So you should have a gut to say no at the right time, at the तो आप में ये चीज बहुत जरूरी है. Then nature of accepting and preparing for the challenges. If somebody has given you a change and if there is a challenge, there is a change in your body, you should accept and prepare, and you should have the awareness whatever challenges you are going to face and what obstacle you are going to face and what strategy you have in your mind, how you can be a smart manager for accepting, for preparing yourself to meet these challenges and to overcome aesthetically, और आप एक strong warrior की तरह खड़े रहेंगे. Participation in co-curricular activities, I must say, during this period, dancing, running, jumping, throwing, aerobic exercise, drawing, painting will increase neuromuscular coordination, will increase the innovativeness among yourself, will increase the creativity within the self, as well as this will help you to pass your time and to analyze your skill in a better way. And this innovation and creativity further will make you a good learner as well as good executor. आप कई बार हमने देखा है गेम में कई बच्चे ऐसी स्किल को एग्जीक्यूट कर जाते हैं शायद जो पेरेंट और कोच ने सोचा ना हो. ऐसा साइकोलॉजिकली बिहेव कर जाते हैं जिसके लिए शायद हमने आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं किया या कभी हमने आपको देखा नहीं. आप ऐसे इमोशनली अपने आप को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं जिन इमोशंस की एक्सेप्टेंस शायद लोगों ने आपसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं की होती या एक्सपेक्ट नहीं की होती. सो कंट्रोल ऑन नेगेटिव थॉट, वेरी कॉमन, ये माइंड लेके आता है. ये साइकोलॉजिकल वेरिएबल्स है. कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? फियर. और फियर क्या है? वन नेगेटिव थॉट. अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो, अगर मैं हार गया तो, अगर मैंने नहीं किया तो. क्लियर. सो फियर विल लीड टू टेंशन, tension will lead to anxiety, anxiety will lead to aggression, aggression will lead to stress, stress may lead to depression, and even stress से पहले ही आप में क्विटनेस आ जाए, आप में ड्रॉप आउट की नेचर हो. क्लियर. या आप किसी भी तरह का बिहेवियर करें विच इज नॉट टॉलरेटेबल. तो इस तरह से आपकी जो कंट्रोल ऑन नेगेटिव थॉट्स के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? you have to channelize the positive attitude within yourself. Clear? So how this positivity or the positive behavior can be channelized by practicing yoga and meditation. जितने भी बड़े players हैं, long time back we used to see, you know, टेबल टेनिस में 18 बार चैंपियन बनना, तो हम तो उन्हें देखते ही रहते थे। तो जितने भी, अगर आज हम देखें कि टेबल टेनिस की पर्सनालिटीज जितनी भी टेबल टेनिस को ऊपर लेके जा रही हैं, तो आप उन्हें देखिए कि दे हैव सेल्फ रेगुलेशन थ्रू योग एंड मेडिटेशन। तो योग एंड मेडिटेशन आपका थॉट प्रोसेस भी करता है, आपका ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न भी करता है, और दिस ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न हैज अ साइंटिफिक इम्पैक्ट on your nervous system and on your rest of the parts of your physiology. Clear? So, please meditation करें, योग करें, and please being teenagers, आप अपने आप को एक अच्छे टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर के रूप में प्रिपेयर करें, because Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation of India has many, hopes from you that definitely tomorrow you are going to be the champion and India is going to be recognized through yourself. And now I will conclude here, and I will wait for the questions. And I am really very thankful to Dr. Rajinder Pathania sir, who is the SAI operation and looking after all the things and giving this e-Pahala platform, Table Tennis Federation of India, through Sports Authority of India, and giving us a chance to be on this stage to interact with these budding table tennis players. Thank you, Rajinder sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Rajinder sir has attended today's session.
Thanks for giving a very good tips to our young upcoming players. Thank you again from behalf of Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
So, dear kids, the session of today's was genuinely very thought-provoking. And बच्चों, क्योंकि अभी आप लोगों का जो है, this is your investment age. You have to investment on your physique. You have to invest on your conscience, on your conscious, on your psychological stability, on your emotional quotients, social equilibrium. So many things which are going to make your actual personality in the near future. You are simply in between the age of 10 to 16 right now, and another 70-80 years are ahead with you, in which not only you have to live your own life, but you have to contribute for the holistic well-being of this country, this society, your own state. So many things are eyeing towards you. They are aspiring towards you that yes, you are those champions, you are those conquerors who will be going to contribute for a better society to be lived in. Today's session, madam, it was like anything. मैं सोच रहा था कि मैडम का सेशन शुरू होगा तो मैं थोड़ा इधर-उधर का कुछ काम कर लूँगा, बट मैं एक सेकंड के लिए भी आपके सेशन से अपने आप को डिटैच नहीं कर पाया. तो इट वाज जेन्युइनली, और काफ़ी चीज़ें आज नई बच्चों को सीखने को मिली हैं. सो इन द एंड मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट सबसे ये करना चाहूँगा, जो भी हमारे स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के कोचेज हैं, आप लोगों को अभी यहीं पर रुकना है. बाकी जो बच्चे हैं, जो दूसरे जो नॉन साई कोचेज हैं या दूसरे एकेडमी रनर्स जो हमारा सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं, they can leave after the completion of this session. Once again, I am thankful to our in charge operation himself. Today he has come and he has, हालांकि sir more or less quite often हम लोगों को आकर के bless कर रहे हैं, संभाल रहे हैं. Today he has also attended full session. Thank you Pathania sir for providing us this platform, and thank you.
अतुल सर, 30 सेकेंड्स, क्योंकि आपने बोला है कि कोई काफी हमारे साथ साई के कोचेस जुड़े हैं, तो मेरी जिंदगी में टीचर्स का, कोचेस का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. तो अपने गुरु के लिए 2 शब्द लिखे हैं, क्या वो बोल सकूं?
अरे मैम प्लीज. मैम कुछ बोल रही हैं आप?
हाँ जी सर, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि अगर आप मुझे परमिट करें तो गुरुजन
हाँ।
के लिए कुछ लिखा है।
प्लीज बताएं।
सर ये मैंने खुद लिखा है, इसमें मेरे परमात्मा, भगवान, माता पिता, गुरुजन, मेरे बच्चे और सभी नियर एंड डियर वन फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग जिन्होंने हमें नर्चर किया। मेरे जीवन की माता हर मूर्ति सर्वव्यापक है, शब्दों में बयान नहीं हो सकता, वो मेरा अध्यापक है। छुपा हुनर था कुछ मेरे में, बिकॉज कोच इज द वन हु आइडेंटिफाई द टैलेंट। छुपा हुनर था कुछ मेरे में, क्या खूब उन्होंने पहचाना था। पढ़ने के साथ क्या करना है मुझे, क्या खूब उन्होंने बतलाना था। देखो दोनों के कर्मों ने कितना मुझे सिखला दिया। पढ़ने पढ़ाने की क्रिया ने मुझे खुद को अध्यापक बना दिया। खेलने खिलाने की क्रिया ने मुझे खुद को कोच बना दिया। मेरे जहन में जो है छाप, मेरे जहन में जो है छाप, माननीय योग अध्यापक और गुरुजन वो है आप। आपको मेरा शत शत प्रणाम, आपको मेरा शत शत प्रणाम।
धवल वस्त्र धारिणी माता सरस्वती के रूप में साक्षात विद्यमान से नजर आ रही हो मैम आप आज।
सर आपके सामने नहीं हो सकता, आपके सामने तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
So with this, now we are continuing the session. On Monday, we will again resume this beautiful platform of ePathshala, Athletes Coaching and Education Program, brought to us from this, from one of the eminent institutions in this country who are bringing so many, creating those personalities who are bringing laurels for this country in the form of medalists in Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, and different World Championships. That is Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation of India. Again, I am thankful to all the persons, all those dignitaries who have designed it and executed it. Today's speaker, Neeru Malik ma'am, we are thankful to you because whatever you had shared is going to remain with these all kids for another 3, 4, 5 decades. And definitely they will shape their career, they will shape their life, they will shape their future in a manner which you had tried to inculcate in them. Thanks once again. Again, all the coaches of Sports Authority of India are humbly requested to remain here. There is something for you. Dr. Rajendra Pathania ji, in charge operations, Sai, is going to deliver something to you. So from my side, I am signing off, and on Monday again we will resume on the same platform. Till then, have a good sleep, sound sleep. Tomorrow morning, please avail a very good morning. Thank you. Good day.